Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Oppo Enco X with your MacBook. So in order to do this, first let's open a Bluetooth on our laptop, and you need to make sure that you have one on your computer or laptop first. So here let's go for the settings. Now locate the Bluetooth and devices. Add the device, and now we can open the case with our headphones in. There's a button on the right side, so let's click and hold it for a few seconds till this LED lamp starts flashing. Then we can move on to our laptop and click on the Bluetooth. Now let's wait till the device is visible right here on our laptop. Here they are. Let's click on them. And there should be connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.